In this ukulele video, I'm going to finally answer the question that people ask. What the heck is a concert long neck ukulele? All right, so what is a concert long neck ukulele? That's what we're going to deal with today in this video. But first, hi, I'm Terry Carter. Welcome to ukelikethepros. If you're new to the channel or you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell notification. That way you stay up to date on all the ukulele tutorials and reviews that we do right here on my channel, not only for ukulele, but guitarlele and the baritone as well. And if you're on Instagram, you can find me over there at ukelikethepros. So this is a concert long neck. It may just look like a normal ukulele to you. I'm going to show you exactly what it is and what's the difference between this and a concertive and even a tenor ukulele in this video. But let me just play a little something just to get it out. All right, so this is pretty simple. At least this is what most of the terms concert long neck means. This simply means a concert body, so a concert-sized body. And by the way, I'll compare it to a concert ukulele in a second. But you have a tenor neck on it. So concert body, tenor neck. So that's really what it is. But what does that mean exactly? Because some of you don't even know what it means to have a tenor neck on it. So I'm going to explain it to you right now. So check this out. These are two concert ukuleles, concert long neck and a normal concert. And by the way, you can get both of these and the tenor I'm about to show you too as well on my online store. That's the #1 online store, store.ukelikethepros.com, where you can get all these gorgeous Ko Aloha ukuleles. So if you look at these two instruments, they're both exactly the same body types. Okay, so concert body. And if you put them right next to each other, they'd be exactly the same. This is a Ko Aloha Opio KCO-02. This is a Ko Aloha KCM-00, but the bodies are exactly the same. But if you notice, the necks are different. So the concert long neck has a longer neck. Matter of fact, you can see that. It's about 2 inches difference because concerts normally have a 15-inch, just hold it, a 15-inch scale from the nut to the saddle, about 15 inches, and then tenors have a 17-inch scale. So what that does is it gives you a little bit more space. There's just 2 inches between each fret, so just a little bit easier to play. And also very, very important here is that most tenors or tenor necks have 1.5 inches nut width, and most concerts have 1 3/8 inches. So it also gives you a little bit of a wider gap right here in the ukulele. Now, if we pull out a normal tenor, a Ko Aloha, this is a KTM-25, a silver anniversary tenor, you're going to notice that the bodies are a lot different. So this one right here is going to be much bigger than the concert one. So we have different bodies. Yeah, much bigger. But if you line up the saddles here, you'll notice that the necks are exactly the same. So both have 17-inch scale length necks. All right, now why would they make a concert long neck? Very simple question. I love these things. Again, these are available at my store.ukelikethepros.com. They're great to hold. You got the smaller concert body, so it's easy to hold, but you get that little bit of that extra space on the neck. Great for someone like me with my hand, or just someone that likes a little bit more space here to play some scales or play some chords as well. So anyway, concert long neck, great to hold, a little bit extra space. They sound great. They look pretty cool too, right? Kind of a different shape with the smaller body and the longer neck. So anyway, hopefully that answered your question. What the heck is a concert long neck? What did you think? Do you have a concert long neck? Do you have a concert? Do you have a tenor? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for being here. Again, check out store.ukelikethepros.com for all your ukulele needs.